Hi scholarly friends! If you want to know how to quickly clear formatting in Google Docs, then keep on watching this video. So you're trying to copy something, and you paste it. Oh snap, how come it looked like that? Sometimes Google Docs that get shared with us or we pasted are full of funky formatting, which makes it difficult to read the content. So what should you do? After you got the document, highlight all the text you want to clear formatting from. You can either click the Remove Formatting button in the toolbar, or click Format, then Clear Formatting, or use the shortcut keys. Simple, easy, and no-brainer. You'll never worry about those formats again. To undo, simply click the undo or back arrow. And that's it. If you have any question, comment down below. If this video has helped you fix the issue, say thanks by hitting the like and subscribe button.